Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 4th, English. Lesson number 8, A Great Leader. Lesson number 8, A Great Leader. In this picture, children, you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity, and non-violence. Non-violence means that is not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. It is loin cloth, children, L-O-I-N. Usually children make a mistake writing it as L-I-O-N. No, it is not L-I-O-N, it is L-O-I-N, loin cloth. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course, he could. But this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. How? How did he come to make this choice? Deliberate means planned, done on purpose. Once, Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually, men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making enquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. Deeply pained means very unhappy. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Bare minimum means the least possible that is required, nothing more than that. But be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Conference means a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. Participant means a person who takes part in a particular activity. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the King of England. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have even enough clothes to wear. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception. This great man, dressed in a simple loin cloth and a shawl, the king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Extravagantly means in a way that costs a lot of money. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Millions of people, poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Destructive means causing damage, and staunch followers means people who were firm and loyal in following someone. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. Suppressed people means people who have been prevented from developing or growing freely. Gandhiji is remembered for all his greatness, not only in India, but in all parts of the world. So this was all about Gandhiji. Now, based on the lesson, let's answer the following questions. Who was Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was one of the great leaders of the world. What did the people call him lovingly? People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. How do other leaders win wars? Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. How did Gandhiji dress himself? Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Why were the women folk not seen in public meeting in Odisha? Women were not seen at the public meeting in Odisha because they were poor. They were so poor that their women folk did not have a decent thing to wear. Who, who was the King of England? King George was the King of England. So these question answers, children, you all are going to write it in your CW book. Thank you.